I think it would be setting myself aside. Yun. That's so crazy. Like, who would do that, you know? Oo na, narinig kita. Sino ka man? Oo na, okay na. Okay na.
Oh, Uy! The craziest thing I've done for love, is I stayed. I stayed when it was so bad because I loved the person and I thought he would change. I thought he loved me enough to also change and fix himself. And nagstay po talaga ako until I lost myself. That's the craziest thing I've done for love.
Ako, when I love kasi I love hard. So, nothing is too crazy for nothing is too hard.
That's Jiwa.
Hindi, so nothing is too crazy for me. Ganun. Siguro isa sa mga sample.
Grabe naman!
Baliw. Ganun. Hindi. Siguro isa dun sa mga crazy na ginawa ko for love is iniwan ko sinurrender ko yung green card ko. Para sa, yeah. And then, may isa pa, siguro I stayed then, kahit chinitan ako, ang 2 beses, sa best friend niya, tsaka sa ex niya!
Ay, nag-share na pala tayo!
Hindi, ganon. So, yun.
Parang lahat tayo may cheating experience.
Female rage. Grabe. Live, ah? Witness nyo? Grabe.
Wait or Barbies, yung mga male cast muna.
Mas malala pa sa Odyssey yung rage natin, guys. Todo. Ako, siguro para baliin natin, crazy good siguro. Kasi as a Leo, I always see to it na I don't go too crazy, na parang when I feel there's something wrong, hindi na ako para ano pa doon. So siguro good crazy. Pagka birthday or pagka special day, anniversary or Valentine's Day, kahit nasaan pa yan, nasa Tagaytay, nasa Pampanga, may COVID, ganyan, ginagawan ko ng paraan, pumupunta ako. Yun. Oo, romantic naman. Yun po. Thank you.
Sa mga